What? Huh? What are you pointing? Ako, tinuturo na naman yun si A. You want A? You want Curious George? Oh, I'm sorry. That's not Curious George. That's, witchcraft? Maybe? Oh, that's Dracula. Is that the one you want? Ha? Marunong na magturo. Marunong na magturo ng gusto. Minsan, tinuturo freezer. Diyos ko. 5 minutes pa lang yan dito. Oh. Ayan na, oh. Aba, hindi naman pala. 20 minutes na.
That sounded close. Like something on the other side of the snow.
How does Papa snore?
I can't find my pliers.
How? Inginunguso pa yung bibig. How does Papa snore first? How?
George would have something.
Leah? Leah? How does Papa snore? How? Let me hear again. Like that? Huh? What? Leah? Huh? Leah? 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 Leah, how does Papa snore? How does Papa snore? Kita mo? Nagayanan ka tuloy. Papa snore loud? Ha? He snore so loud? Ano ba yung papel na yun? O, saputa mo. Magdadrum ka na. Alam niya kung saan nakatago yung stick eh. Oh. 1 minuto ka lang dito. Ilang minuto ka lang dito. Disaster na agad ang bahay. Oops. How does Papa snore again? How does Papa snore again? Huy. Leah, how does Papa snore again? Naku, Diyos mo. Sa put it back na. Oh, alam niya kung saan ibabalik. Oh. Bait talaga ng batang to. Ang bait. Don't knock down Papa's guitar. Oh, don't do that. That's dirty. Don't put that in your mouth. Put it back there at the corner. Put it back. Put it back at the corner. No, not there. Leah, pick it up. Pick it up. No, not there. Pick it up. Bo. Put it in the corner. Bo. There. Thank you. Thank you. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So how does Papa snore again? Huh? That loud? Di ba pakali, oh. Let me get you water. You want water? Say yes, please. Yes, please. Okay. What will you say to Mama? Huh? What? Naalala niya to nakalagay yung candy. What? No. You can't have candy. Okay? You can only have cereals. That's it. Okay? Okay, sa come on. Let's go. Bait naman eh. Nakikinig naman eh. Oh. She knows what is no. Oh, good girl. I'm so proud of you. Leah, you're listening to Mama. Drink you more water. Drink some more water. What? Bay, naka-maestra-maestra na. Nakaupo sa recliner. Which one? This one? Good job. Okay, so go back to the recliner now. I didn't know she can climb up there. Go to the recliner. Here, I thought you're sitting there. On the chair. Not anymore? O, yun ang mga baking stuff ko. Napaka-elman. Nako, ayun na. Talaga nag-aalukwat na. What is that? Oh, are you supposed to play with that? Ha? What? Alam niya placemat yun. Ilalagay daw niya sa tape. Ay, nako. Oh, so, you gonna put it there? Pakadaming alam nito eh. Pakadaming gustong gawin. Oh. So, you gonna put it there? Oh, yun daw. Oh, oh yan daw. Tapos, tapos yung grape. Let me see. Do you know how to bite grapes? Huh? Okay. Let me see how you eat grapes. You bite it first, okay? Make sure you bite it first. Good job. Takot akong bigyan. Baka mamaya machok. Okay, here. Bantayan ko na lang. Oh, you know what? I should do this. There, right there. Ilagay niya yung placemat dito daw. Kasi natatandaan niya na dito siya kumain. Don't watch anymore. Just continue eating. Just focus on your food. Tamis ng grape.
I was proceeding northward and encountered stationary vehicles. Thought I should investigate. That's not right.
Judy, I'll be making pandesal. There's no what you call that? No cheese inside. I'm just gonna let you use cheese.